All right, this is your Unit 5 PoSt test. Make sure that at the top of your paper it says Unit 5 and you have numbered 1 through 12 and your name is on it. And then when you are done taking this test, you can take a picture of it and post it under Unit 5 PoSt test in Google Classroom. Okay? And remember, you can always go back, rewind this, watch it as many times as you need, pause it, whatever, okay? Number 1 is combine. When you combine 1 plus 1, you get 2. Number 2 is complete. Please make sure you complete the assignment. Number 3, define. Your teacher would like you to define every word. Number 4, delete. After you have read your emails, you can delete them. Number 5, escape. The sailors used a little raft to escape their sinking ship. Number 6, illustrate. Our guest speaker used examples to illustrate his presentation. Number 7, microscope. A microscope can be used to make tiny objects appear larger. Number 8, mistake. The editor corrected a mistake in the newspaper article. Number 8, provide. Nurses are trained to provide good care for their patients. Number 9, refuse. When Josh was offered a job in New York, he could not refuse it. Oh, that's number 10. All right, well, number 11, remote. Our television cannot be operated without a remote control. And then number 12, useful. A map is useful when traveling in an unfamiliar area. Okay, so let me just repeat all the words because I might have missed one. Number 1, combine. Number 2, complete. Number 3, define. Number 4, delete. Number 5, escape. Number 6, illustrate. Number 7, microscope. Number 8, mistake. Number 10, provide. Number 11, refuse. I'm off again. Well, number 10, refuse. When Josh was offered a job in New York, he could not refuse it. Number 11, remote. And number 12, useful. Sorry if this is a mess.